Hey guys, it's Dan the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Now today I'm at the Rampart Casino Earl Grey Cafe where from midnight to 5 a.m. they have a $5.99 menu, guys. $5.99. And on this menu they have a cheeseburger special. Third pound Angus beef patty, cheese, and fries, guys. For $5.99, that's a bargain of a century. Oh my heavens. Midnight to 5 a.m. Let's give this burger a try. Hi. Yeah, I'm doing okay. Yeah, yeah. Can I order with you?
Yeah, please.
All right, terrific. So I'll take your burger.
Yeah. How would you like that cooked?
The medium is fine.
And then you get your choice of a cheese, American, pepper jack, Swiss, cheddar, pepper jack.
Yes, the pepper jack sounds really good. Pepper jack cheese. Can I have the pepper jack on the side?
Okay.
Okay, great. All right. And
Tomato, onion,
oh yeah,
burger, okay?
yes, please.
Perfect. What else can I get for you?
Okay, I also have your fish and chips,
Fish and chips.
and then I would like to get something to go as well. Can I get the Fortress to go?
The Fortress, yeah. I just have to let you know that we do have a $2.50 charge per item to go.
Oh my God, no!
Yeah. So I don't know if you still.
Oh no, no!
Yeah.
Oh no,
Yeah,
that.
you can order it for here, and I can get you a to-go box, and that way you don't get charged. But that's the only thing. That's the only way. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have it to stay.
You got it.
Okay.
And then you get your choice of toast: white, wheat, sourdough.
For the Fortress?
Yeah. It can come on your choice of bread.
I'll have it white, toasted white.
Okay. Anything else for you?
No, I guess that's it. All right, so in case you're wondering what's up with this big microphone, why not use my usual lavalier mic? I'll tell you guys, because the lavalier mic is omnidirectional, means it records sound from all directions. This here is kind of records sound from the ends. This end mostly, this end not so much, and it tries to reject sound from around the sides, right? So why am I using this really big mic in this occasion? Because of the copyright music playing from the speakers. That's right, guys. Copyright music is my enemy. Alright, so while I'm waiting for the food, I'll tell you, right? That little menu, they informed me that it is one item per human being, right? So at first, I was like, oh, I can make a video. I'll order one of each and show you everything, right? Then I was placing the order, and then the lady said, one per human being. And I was like, darn it. I wish I had like my, I don't know. Wish I had more human beings. All right, so while we're waiting for the food, I'll tell you. I was over at the casino, a little bit further down, playing some $1 double double. Now, I put in 100, and my God, it was a downhill thing. It went, man, and it went all the way down to my very last bet. And I was like, that's it. It's over. It's over. And on that very last bet, I was dealt a straight flush. You don't know these things, guys. So, the Earl Grey Cafe over here at the Rampart Casino is open 24/7. Except for one time a month at night, they close at 9:30 for cleaning. One day a month, right? How do I know this? because last time I came, it was that day. Like, what are the chances? It's like winning by betting one number on the roulette. Who knows these things? So, while we're still waiting for the food, I'll tell you about the blackjack. I was playing $10 blackjack, just like a regular human being. $10, $10, I bought in for 100. I was up 30 bucks and then I started losing. Next thing I know, I was down 50 and I have 50 left. So I put 25 on there. Why not, guys, right? And then I got dealt a double. I said, oh, so I put the other 25 on there and that was it. I had nothing left. And then I caught a 10. So it was a 21 and dealer had a 20. Oh my goodness, guys. Took, cashed out. Yep, colored up, cashed out, left. Luck like that only comes once every 3 weeks. Oh, terrific. Oh, it looks yummy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, crinkle cut fries.
Good, yeah,
All right.
definitely. Yeah, I'll definitely have. I have boxes to go if you need it to go.
Okay, I'll see if I can finish it all first.
Good luck.
All right. Oh my God, guys. Take a closer look. Oh my heavens, Lord, guys. I don't think I can finish this. Lucky I have a lot of editing to do back home and I can nibble. I can take some home and nibble. All right, so first things first, the fish and chip. The fries are the same in all three plates. Let's try the French fries. $8.5 for the fries. It's hot, fresh, crispy, very well seasoned. Very nice. I do not have to put salt on it. All right. Ooh, it comes with a little ramekin of ketchup. Plastic ramekins, guys. Try a fry with the ketchup. Terrific. Okay, now the fish of the fish and chips. All right. So it looks like factory battered, you know, like how it comes frozen to the restaurant and then you just deep fry it and serve to the customer. Because the size is like very similar. That's what I suspect. Do I know that for sure? I do not, right? But it kind of looks like that. Whereas other places, they hand bread or hand dip the fish, you know, out of actual fillets, such as the Fulton fish fry at the New York, New York. I seen the lady do it. She dipped it and then she fried it, and all the pieces are all different shapes and different sizes. All right, give this a try. Now, I know this is not the case, but it kind of reminds me of sea bass. The way the fish feels in the mouth. But I know it's not sea bass. They wouldn't, it's too expensive. It is a good fish. Okay, give it an 8. Let me try it with some of this here tartar sauce. With the tartar sauce, 8.1. Now let's see with ketchup. Oh, come on, stop it, guys. I'm not into malt vinegar. Always, every episode with fish and chips, someone gotta complain. Erase that comment below. With ketchup, guys. 8.3 with the ketchup. Alright, guys. Now let's move on to the burger. So I asked for the pepper jack on the side. Got no pepper jack at all. Alright, so this is what the patty looks like. Right? Perfectly acceptable. Cheers. Alright, this is a restaurant quality burger. Restaurant quality. Well worth $5.99. It's not gourmet or anything, but it's restaurant quality versus like greasy food truck quality, you know? Alright, now. 8 for the bread. $7.5 for the patty. It's alright. Ain't anything great about it. Right? The addition. Now, some burgers, the patty is so good that if you eat the patty and then you taste everything separately, right? You find that the patty got a certain taste. Like I was over at the happy hour special. It was also here at the Rampart. It might have been Heritage Grill or something like that. No. What's the name of that place? Hawthorne. Yes. Hawthorne Grill. That patty was so good. The other stuff took away from it. But this patty is mediocre. Right? So when you put it all together, it increases, right? So overall, 8.5 for the burger, you know, together. All right, I'm sure if I put mayonnaise and some ketchup, you know, it'll be like 8.8 or something. All right, now the final thing I'm gonna try is a piece of the sandwich here. Mouthful of flavor, guys. 9 for this. Excellent. It must be the bacon. Bacon makes everything better. Alright. So that's it from the Earl Grey late night here at the Rampart. Thank you for watching New Vegas video every Friday.